We are here today to welcome our partners from the IITA for the signing ceremony of the MoU on fertilizer and soil health between the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security and the IITA. We are all partners in the progress of Mr. President's renewed hope agenda on food security. The food security agenda of Mr. President is not only targeted at making food affordable and available, but also make sure that the food is nutritionally balanced and for good consumption.
Let me express IITA's deep appreciation to the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security for hosting this ceremony and for the leadership you are providing to advance Nigeria's food security agenda. We are gathered here today for a clear purpose to formalize a strategic partnership between the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security and IITA, aimed at strengthening soil health, improving soil fertilizer efficiency, and boosting productivity and food security in Nigeria.
One of the areas that we believe that is the foundation and why you have to start is from the soil itself. If the soil is not in good health, so no matter how you work it out, then you will not be able to achieve. So I would like to also commend the Honorable Minister of State and his team for coming up with the soil health initiative, which is something that has been in the works for a very long time, but never had this trajectory, especially within the last 2.5 years.
This Memorandum of Understanding directly supports the Nigeria Farmers Soil Health Scheme and the continued development of Nigeria National Soil Information System, two foundations that help translate ambition into measurable outcomes on farms and across value chains.
This MoU is anchored on three fundamental objectives, which are strengthen agricultural land management and climate change services, with emphasis on soil health and fertilizer management in Nigeria, build national capacity through applied research, soil fertility practice, and data systems and policy support, and the third one, promote a model of collaboration that can inspire and inform similar efforts across the ECOWAS region.
A core feature of this partnership is how we will implement it. Activities under this MoU will be channeled through the regional hub for fertilizer and soil health for West Africa and Sahel, hosted by IITA. This is important because it ensures a coordinated and standards-based approach rather than isolated interventions, while enabling Nigeria to benefit from regional expertise and shared learning.
From the standpoint of soil health and facility management, as emphasized in Objectives 1 and 2 of this MoU, it is evident that soil health serves as the foundation of the agricultural sector, which, as we all know, employ over 70% of our Nigerian workforce and thus have substantial contribution to our GDP. However, we all know our soils face significant challenges, including nutrient depletion, erosion, and the impact of climate change. These issues jeopardize our food security, livelihoods of our citizens, and therefore impact our economic growth. Consequently, this partnership with IITA Regional Soil and Fertilizer Hub signifies a crucial step towards addressing these challenges.
Your Excellencies, Nigeria's leadership is especially significant in this effort. When Nigeria demonstrates what is possible through better recommendations, stronger delivery systems, and improved fertilizer use efficiency, it becomes a proof point for the region, showing how political commitment paired with credible science and strong coordination can deliver higher productivity and long-term sustainability. Ultimately, the test of this MoU will be the results. Over time, we should be able to point to measurable improvement in soil health management systems, enhanced fertilizer use efficiency, strengthened national capacity, improved data systems, and clearer policy support decisions that accelerate progress on food security.
Through the Nigerian Farmer Soil Health Scheme, which was launched last year by this ministry, we aim to establish 774 soil testing laboratories through Nigeria's local government to bring this service as close to the farmers as possible. Provide tailored soil health cards for farmers, facilitating data-driven fertilizer recommendations, like the DG said earlier, crop-specific and location-specific fertilizer blends. Promote sustainable agricultural practices, thereby enhancing increased crop yields and climate resilience. And then improve soil biodiversity, which support ecosystem services and further mitigate climate change. Accordingly, we believe IIT's expertise in tropical agriculture and soil sciences will be vital in propelling this initiative forward. Together, we will equip our farmers with the knowledge and resources necessary to optimize fertilizer usage, enhance soil health, and boost productivity.
Let me close by reaffirming IIT's full commitment to this partnership. We are ready to work hand in hand with the Federal Ministry of Food, of Agriculture and Food Security and all stakeholders to ensure that science is translated into action and action translated into impact on farmers' fields in productivity and in resilience.
I want to emphasize that since the inauguration of Mr. President, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, he has made no mistake in telling us that his priority is food security and food sovereignty. And I think for the past 2.5 years or thereabout, myself and my big brother have done whatever we can do to turn things around, and the results are obvious. But definitely we also know that if these results are to be sustainable, we still have more work to be done. And that is the import for which this MoU signing ceremony today signifies. In conclusion, the Nigerian Farmer Soil Health Scheme aims to bring about a genuine and sustainable transformation in Nigeria's agricultural sector. Therefore, let us collaborate further to enrich our soils, empower our farmers, increase their productivity, and guarantee a sustainable food system that will lead to that food sovereignty Mr. President has visioned for us.
After signing, we know we have all committed and responsible officers that will have to follow the provisions of the MoU in terms of timing and milestones that are to be achieved.